All right, so I got the Shure SM7B here. It's been my go-to mic for the last 5 years or so. It's widely known as the podcaster's mic, something that Joe Rogan uses on a daily basis. Now, I do have it hooked up to a boom arm here, and I just wanted to show the functionality of it before I gave the kind of the voice test in a little bit. Basically, it's got some amazing functionality. It's got these little knobs for adjustability, as well as a screw-on attachment at the top. It's meant to be on some sort of stand. Now, that can be a small one or a boom arm, and then it's made for XLR. But onto the voice test. Now, this is the voice test if I was to be whispering really close to the mic. And this is if I was the same distance from the mic, but very loud, and I just wanted you to hear the dampening. I also wanted to show you the P's and T's and kind of just show you the filtering of the audio. So here it goes. Puff. Peter picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Tic-tac 10 tiny tigers tiptoed tenderly through the tall green grass. Now, obviously, hopefully this shows you kind of the dynamic ability of the Shure SM7B, and it's a great mic, obviously wide known, and something I'd recommend for anybody looking for a mic.